Welcome to this short animation by KCI, Kinetics Controls and Innovation Limited. This animation showcases the capabilities and applications for isolating leaking packers. IGH is used for application. When a packer fails, well fluids and pressure can pass the element and enter the A annulus, indicating a loss of a well barrier. We carry out an evaluation of the well by recording the tubing pressure, which is sitting at 400 bar, and the A annulus, which is sitting at 350 bar. These pressures are close, which indicates that the packer is leaking. IGH is deployed into a liquid-filled A annulus through the A annulus valve. IGH will drop and settle on top of the packer element. Enough sealant is deployed to create a 5 to 6 foot column in the A annulus. A minimum of 200 psi hydrostatic overbalance must be maintained to keep the IGH energised and the isolation in place. The IGH will cure after 12 to 24 hours depending on temperature and the volume of activator added. A pressure test or leak-off test can be carried out to the isolation has been successful. Contact KCI for more information.